Slumberjack remix.
Hello everyone, welcome to a brand new Melbourne Railway production. Today I'm not in Melbourne but in Sydney for a vlog. Here's T71 passing platform 3 at Erskineville. And T37. Waratah departing for a 5 trains town service. A 43 is set. So I'll just give you a bit of a look around the station. So there's platforms 1 and 2, which are pretty much the only used platforms here. There's platforms 3 and 4, which are rarely used. Probably only for track work, because express services run past to Waterfall, Cronulla, etc. And yeah, and other locations as well as intercity expresses. Okay, I think we might have a train passing. Yes, Tangara T129, I think. They all seem to have to pass the station very slowly. Anyway. The rear 4 cars are... couldn't see from there. T128. We've got a Kiama service passing, an Oscar H22 is leading for 4 car set. Cars are H3. And we've got a Waratah arriving for a city circle service. This would have come from either Liverpool or Lidcombe on the Bankstown line. We've also got a Tangara passing. A56 is the Waratah's set. And the Tangaras T80. Well, the rear 4 cars are T68. Excuse the graffiti. That is a Bondi Junction service. Anyway, today's Boxing Day. Yeah, I hope you all had a nice Christmas, if you celebrate it. It's quite hot here in Sydney at this stage. Anyway, Waratah's departing for a circle service. like to show you an interesting property in the station. Behind platform 1, don't know if you can judge, but there is a bit of space, and looks as if there might have once been lines or provisions for lines running behind platform 1. You can also see it's St Peters, which is the next station towards either Bankstown or whatever. That there was another face, that platform 1 was actually an island platform with the face that's no longer used. So maybe once there were more lines or there were provisions for lines. So yeah, just thought I'd share that one with you. We've got a Waratah arriving, Liverpool service. A40 is the set. And the Waratah is now departing Liverpool via Bankstown service. Its next stop will be St Peters, followed by Sydenham, Marrickville, Dulwich Hill, Helston Park, Canterbury Campsie, Belmore, Lakemba, Yagoona, Bankstown, I think. No, Punchbowl, Bankstown. Anyway, hope I got that right. We've got a Tangara passing. Not sure what the front 4 cars are. Front forward T20. Rear 4 T30. We've got a Waratah arriving for a City Circle service.
No, but just to have ordinary
A27 is the set. We've actually got an Explorer passing. Sorry, I couldn't get this. My camera actually ran out of space. Anyhow, this is on a phone. Explorer set 7, I guess. That was random. Anyway. A Tangara passing. Sorry if the quality's not as good. T6 is leading, followed by T2. We've got another Explorer passing. I'm assuming it's Canberra service, but I'm not sure. I think it's an Explorer. Yeah. Either an Explorer or an Endeavour. Whatever it is, it's passing. 2,508 was leading. I think that's sad. Anyway. City Circle service arriving. A43 is the set. Waratah now departing for City Circle service. It's not next stop. She'll be Redfern, then Central, and then the City Circle. T1 is passing now. With the rear forecast being T63. And unfortunately that train does conclude the video. Thank you for watching. Oh, hang on, is that another train? Yes it is. Just kidding. Before I end the vlog, I'll just get this train on camera for you guys, and girls if you're watching. Anyway, T9 is the leading set. Forecast are T15. Anyway, that train does conclude the video. Thank you for watching. If you did enjoy it, please give it a like and subscribe if you like my videos in general. Thank you for watching and Happy New Year for a few days.
Like the ceiling can